All right, Dave, be honest with me. It's winter. I got a 2021 Toyota Tundra, and I just want my truck warm. Why should I even care about a Compustar remote start?
Because scraping ice is optional, and Compustar is one of the most reliable remote start systems on the market. Clean, install, factory safe, and it works every single time.
Okay, options. What are we talking here? One way, two way? What's the difference?
One-way remote start, press a button, car starts, super easy. Two-way remote start, press a button, you get a confirmation back, giving you that security knowing the car runs, and also longer distance. One-way is a quarter mile, two-way is a 1 mile.
So the two-way is like peace of mind?
Exactly. No guessing from a grocery store checkout or through a window.
Besides warming it up, what does it actually do?
On your Tundra, locks and unlocks doors, activates climate control, can be upgraded to a phone control down the road, integrates cleanly with factory systems, no hack wiring, no warning lights.
All right, here's the one everyone's thinking. Why does a remote start cost so much?
Because you're not buying just a box, you're paying for a vehicle-specific interface module, proper programming for your Tundra, professional labor, and the time it takes to do it the right way the first time.
So what's actually happened during the install?
We disassemble interior panels carefully, access factory wiring without damaging anything, and integrate the Compustar module with Toyota systems. We also secure everything and test every single function, then put the truck back together so you'd never know it was touched. No rattles, no loose panels, no problems later.
So not a YouTube DIY situation?
Not unless you enjoy electrical nightmares.
So is this safe for my truck? Am I avoiding any warranties?
Nope. Installed correctly, Compustar systems are factory safe, don't affect engine warranties, and everything we install is backed by our workmanship warranty in-house here at Stereo Installs.
All right, Dave, final question. Why am I doing this here instead of somewhere else?
Because you're getting a multitude of things. A premium Compustar system, installed by professionals, clean wiring, factory safe integration, and support after the install, not just the day you pay. Plus, once you have a remote start, you'll never own a truck without one again.
Yeah, my driveway just got a lot warmer. Thanks.
If you have a 2021 Toyota Tundra and you're thinking about a remote start, come talk to us. We'll walk you through the options and get you set up right the very first time.